Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We have 3 Duggee figures with us today, and we have 2 with their yellow outfit and 1 with his colorful painter's outfit. And what is behind them? It is our Squinkies machine, and it works just like a gumball machine or a prize machine. First, I need a coin for the slot. I'm going to try out this shiny 1-cent penny. I put it into the slot and then turn the yellow knob, and it worked. We have our first Squinky. What is it? Oh, it's a little car. It has light blue, and then dark blue, and then on the back it's a red spoiler. Let's put it on the little water slide here. Now we put the penny in the slot, but where did the penny go? It rolled behind the machine out the back. We can reuse the same penny again and again. This time, a pink ball rolled out. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a fire engine, a bright red one. I think this is a character from the Cars movie, and his name is Red. Ooh, the coin went all the way through, so let's turn the knob and then try it again. There, that will work. And there's our next Squinky. Oh, it looks like an animal. What animal is it? It's a little mouse, a turquoise mouse with some yellow cheese. Whenever I think of a mouse, I think of the mouse that was in our house. And Kitty was chasing it around. Now we have a green ball. Oops, what's inside? It's another car, and it's green too. It has large tires in the back and smaller ones in the front. Let's get one more Squinky out of the machine. Oh dear, it isn't working. Let's lift the lid off the top. Oh, it's a little pink dolphin, and have a look inside. It seems like there's a silver one under the red ball that is stuck. Let's just give it one more try. Oh, there we go. Oh yes, it was already open, so it got a little bit jammed. Good thing we got it out. Oh, and it's another car. It's black with red flames. Oh, where did the other cars go that were on the slide? Let's do some investigating. The slide is on a downward tilt, and there's a hole that maybe our cars drove into. And it looks like this is a door with hinges. Ah, yes, there are all 3 of the cars. Good detective work, Tiny fans. And remember, every time we play, it's time to clean up after we are finished. And that way, small pieces don't get lost and we can play with them next time. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.